Sorry guys, the video ended by itself. Well, let's fix it. 3 hours later. Done. Now let's roar the bird city up. Now, roar! Well, what? Who was that screaming? Was that the villain? Let's check. Whoa, how did a dinosaur villain come here? Wow, I am a villain. Wow, a new villain to deal with. Well, that was easy. Hey! Go! Ouchie. I think he got scared of the angry mode, so let's do that again. Uh-oh. I don't like that. Wow! Whoa! Howdy! What? Ouchie! I just leaped like a cat. I should have really get out of here. Ah! Ouchie! What? Is there a new villain? Yeah, there is. Then why are you laughing? Just stop the villain. Otherwise he'll steal the bird crystal and everything else that I made. Don't worry, I already defeated him because he's a tiny weeny villain. Oh, I see him. It's a dinosaur villain. Well, you can laugh. 1 hour later. Okay, I got myself in control. Told you the angry mode can be used anytime later. You didn't told that. I was meant to say that. Okay, let's get back. Now transform into the normal big old bird city. Well, let's head back to the others. He just left and we have not seen him since 1 hour. Oh, there he is. Ow! Ouchie! What are you guys doing? We are just playing. So I should say that because I'm the leader around here. Did the villain like it? Let's see from up here. Oh, run! Mommy, turtle attack! Retreat! Turtle attack! What? He did like it. Looks like. Ow. What's all the ruckus about it? Why are you guys up? There was some problem. Okay. Well, I think you are gone to the washroom. Yeah. Don't tell him we have been doing the villain. We have been dealing with the villain. But I heard that. Oh no. We didn't mean to wake up you. Wait. God is calling me. Let me hear. What? He's making real wildcats. He's sending them to the world. What? We will see real wildcats? Yeah, and they will be grown-up version like they are. Oh. Then the Tortuga will be more bigger than the bird city. I think they will just park it outside so that people cannot have any trouble crossing it. the birds will not have any trouble crossing it. Yeah, maybe they will park it outside. Let's upgrade our bird city. We will see you in the upgrades, guys. And today's thunderstorms hitting the bird city with rain. Part 10. Bye, guys.